how to see recently watched videos on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you see recently watched videos on YouTube. So let's get started. First, open the YouTube application with your account. After you open YouTube, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the bottom right, tap on your profile icon. Now from here, on the section history, you'll be able to find recently watched videos. Simply tap on view all. Now from here, you can completely view the history that you have watched on YouTube, as you can also remove it. For that, tap on three dots at the top right. Now from here, you can tap on remove from watch history. And that's it. This is the way to see recently watched videos on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.